local, late-breaking. This is WTVA 9 News on WLOV.
Welcome back at 8:48. You know, we've been talking about all this flash flooding potential, and I really want to highlight the potential for some stronger storms now that are moving through Knoxville County and Pickens County. A moment ago, I was explaining that, believe it or not, for those of us who are tired of the rain, places like Macon and Aliceville and Reform in the last 24 hours haven't seen any rain. And what that means is there's a lot of energy that's kind of pent up in this area, and it hasn't been used up yet. And so this thunderstorm here is going to tap into that. As we take a closer look now at exactly where this thunderstorm is going, there's probably some stronger winds with this. Right now it is non-severe, but it's crossing right through parts of Knoxville County. We'll put a track on that, move it to the east. That'll put it through southern sections of Pickens County and eastern sections of Knoxville County. That'll put us around Macon around 9:03. That's in just the next 15 to 30 minutes. Pickensville around 9:26, Aliceville around 9:43, eventually making its way over into Tuscaloosa County by 10 o'clock. And not out of the question that this could be severe warned at some point. Hopefully not at all, but if at all, hopefully it won't be until it moves farther east of us. The rest of the area, I got another thing to point out here. Notice there's a big hole in the radar. Basically, what's happened is some drier air has come in and eaten up a lot of this precipitation. If that precipitation lingered a little bit longer, we'd be talking flash flooding. But at this point, I think that threat is diminishing. I do want to highlight again that thunderstorm that we're watching over parts of Knoxville County is going to be tapping into a lot more energy that hasn't been tapped into yet, and that is where the greatest severe threat is. So if you're heading east toward Birmingham, southeast toward Montgomery, you might want to watch for that this afternoon. Again, flood watch is still in effect for these counties, though if we continue to see dry air take over, hopefully this will be ended early, but we still have about 4 hours left until this is ended. That includes Grenada, Winona, Kosciuszko, all the way to Tupelo, Florence, Alabama, Corinth, and Oxford. Here's a live look in Tupelo. We're cloudy, it's rainy, 60 degrees, winds out of the south-southeast at 8. Looking ahead through the next several hours, those rain chances after lunchtime significantly drop off. We'll look at temperatures getting into the upper 60s. Those showers and thunderstorms making their way east over the next several hours. And maybe a few lingering showers into lunchtime, but by 3 p.m., most of that to our east. It doesn't mean we're going to be completely dry. We might see a few breaks in the clouds, but as we go into the 6 o'clock hour, here come a few more lingering showers. This is kind of the last hurrah. That's your cold front. Then those winds switch out of the north. Cooler temperatures start to make their way into our area. We'll have some clouds linger through the overnight into the early morning hours. 1 or 2 sprinkles possible, but that northerly flow is certainly going to make it feel a lot cooler. How much rainfall are we looking at between now and the end of the day? Could see another maybe 1.5 inches at most. I think we're going to see things really wind down, maybe not even a little over 1/4 of an inch for parts of our northwest where that drier air is making its way in. Clear and dry Friday and Saturday with temperatures in mid-60s Friday, low to mid-70s Saturday. Isolated showers possible for Easter Sunday, then scattered showers and storms return Tuesday night, cooling us off into the middle of next week.